What's up, guys? This is my new foray into new stuff here. So lately I've kind of gotten into knives, and my first real good knife is this little Kershaw Scallion, and I really like it. It's assisted. It's got this little lock right here to keep it from firing when you don't want it to fire. And it's like an assisted flipper. Little short guy, and I love it, but one big problem is carrying in your pocket. See these dual thumb studs on it? That one sticks out past the width of the knife, and it drives me bonkers. I don't carry it more because of that. And here's why. Look at my pocket. It catches on the hem of my pocket. So when you go to draw it quickly, it won't come out. So today, we're gonna do a little knife mod. Second thing, guys, if you haven't gotten a set of these, you need to. I do a bunch of motorcycle suspension work, and clipping forks into steel jaws ruins stuff. Ruins knives, ruins anything you're working on. So get yourself a set of vice jaws. These are nylon, and they're from JCL Products. They're made in Australia. I absolutely love them. They have these nice, beautiful magnets on the back, and I bought the wide version because I've got a big wide vise, and they have these nice grooves cut in them. So if I'm working on suspension and I want to hold it at an angle, I can do that. I can hold it vertically, and it will not mar aluminum or any of those other things. So we're gonna mod this knife, and you know what? There's better choices. I'm sure, absolutely positive, that me using a cutoff wheel with a Dremel is not the best choice in the whole wide world to do this. I probably can unscrew this. It's probably Loctited, and I can probably find a screw that's got an Allen head or a round head that I can mount on this side. But you know what? I don't want to go to the shop. I don't want to heat the knife up to melt that Loctite to get this apart. And this knife is for me. Nobody else is going to carry it. It's an inexpensive knife. I mean, it's about a $51 knife on Amazon. I think I paid more than that. I bought it from a knife shop in California, and it's got some sentimental value to me because I bought it on a trip with some friends. And I want to carry this knife, but that's what's keeping me from carrying it, and so I'm going to show you guys how to mod my knife today. Right, first things first, like I said, I got these nice soft jaws in my vise, and got it mounted at a 45-degree angle, and let's go for it. Now the idea here is I'm gonna take off just enough of this that it is flush with the knife scale. Okay, we've got it mounted in a little bit better angle here, and just clean up that last little bit. Let's see if we can get her to focus. Focus. Okay, it's cut off. I'm gonna smooth off the ends. Well, here it is, my dudes. I nicked the coating on the knife just slightly, and you know what? I should have taped it up with blue tape. But anyway, first foray into this. As you can see, it is slightly less than flush with the scale, and actually closed. It is just less than flush with the scale, which is exactly what I want. We'll give her a test shot in the pocket here. Okay, weird angle here, but let's give her a shot. Slides in easy, slides out easy. Great. That's exactly what I wanted. My little flipper. My little Kershaw flipper. Scallion. I'm going to plan on polishing it a little better with an emery cloth wheel on the end of my my Dremel here, and some rouge compound. But made a knife that I love but hated to carry into a knife I might carry. Thanks for watching.